What's up? Today we're going to be learning family signs. So the first one is mom. 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 And dad. Dad. Family is 2 F's and you kind of make a circle. Family. And then brother is brother. Brother. So this is a sign for boy. And so if you're putting it down like this, brother. And then for sister, it's a sign for girl, and then like this again, sister, sister. Then for grandparents, so grandma is just mom moved forward once. Then again, if you want to move through the lineage, you just keep going. So grandma. And then grandfather is dad, and then just moved forward again. So I hope these family signs helps you guys. Thank you.